Okay, so there's apparently, this is the start of the trail, or in another words, trailhead, to this one interesting waterfall that I found on internet. Found it on Google Maps as well. The name, what's the name? I forgot, the name is Sulphur Creek Falls. I don't know, I'm probably saying it wrong. But here I am, Old Forest Road looks like. There's like a little canyon according to the map, and the trail goes into the canyon where the waterfall is. At least on Google Maps, people complaining about not being marked that trail. So it's one of these that it's not really known and it's not maintained, and it's probably not official trail anyway. I don't know. But hey, I found it on Google Map. We'll see. I'll tell you more when I get there or when I get back. Okay, I just came across this little tiny trail. So from the forest road, seems like it's aligned with the old trail tracks that I found as well. That must be it. But yeah, I'm definitely on trail. There's some fresh foot traffic, I can tell. You know, people stepping on ferns and stuff, so it's definitely signs of must be used. Somebody was just here recently. If you look those leaves. Oh boy, that looks really bushy now. Really bushy. But I can hear a creek on my right hand side. And that's a good sign, because that's where I'm supposed to be according to the map. Man, it's pretty kind of rain time forest. Kind of like it already. Let's see what's further. Luckily it's not longer, it's shorter. I'm already halfway in, and I'm only like 15 minutes hiking. Okay. It's definitely bushy. Look at that. Well, it's a trail. And again, somebody was here recently, I can tell. Okay. Here it is. There's muddy area. Ducks, bears, cougars. Just kidding. That kind of condition we have here on the trail. Lots of ferns here, I love it. It's really pretty forest with lots of flowers. Bim bam. Oh wow. It's definitely not official trail, I'll tell you that. But it is a trail. A little bit up and down, up and down. There's the creek down there. It doesn't have much water, so makes sense. That's what I was thinking as I was approaching the hills around. There are lower hills, no more snow on the hills, so it won't be full flow of the waterfall. Yeah, we'll see. It's hard to go uphill and talk, at least for me anyway. Lots of fallen trees. I've seen one report on Google Map. That's exactly what it says. Bushy trail, no marks, lots of fallen trees. And Yes, it's true. As of right now, I got all of it already, and more is coming. I bet more is coming. I'm getting to the point where I'm getting sweaty, partially because I'm walking back and forth, of course, getting the camera shots, whatever. I kind of enjoy that anyway. Whew. I'll tell you what, man, I'm so glad I took my hiking boots actually, because I was thinking, oh, I'll just stay in my working slippers. That wouldn't been bad. I'm so glad I got my hiking jeans, full leather actually. I love those things. Yeah, really good for this kind of terrain. Ooh, see? Wow, look at the wall here. Look at the wall. There's another wall. Must be really close. Okay. But I think I hear it already. I hear something bigger. It's probably right around the corner. And another one. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. Wow. Voila. Made it. Yeah. Wow. Wow. Look, I gotta show you. Look at that thing. It's like directly right above me. Look. Straight up. Looks like the tree is holding it up. I'll better go fast underneath here. Right there. Wow. Now this is cool. I've never seen any wall like a waterfall wall. Waterfall of flowers, that's what it is. Look at that. I'm like a waterfall too. Okay. I think it's on my side. I thought it would be on the other side of the canyon. That's why I need to go on the other side according to the map. I can see it already. Look at that. Just a preview. Just a little preview. Look at that. Yeah. That's cool. That's definitely cool. Okay, I'm happy already. That's the bottom part. According to what I've seen in the pictures, it goes a lot higher. There's a rope. Let's go down carefully. Safety always first. I mean first, right? First. Safety first. I mean, I don't really need it. They probably put it here in case it's muddy. Whoever put it here, but thank you anyway. So I feel safer. Wow. Wow. Holy moly. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, I think the upper part is a lot higher, but it seems like I cannot get anywhere. I mean, look at that, it's like a deep canyon here. I mean, that's what it is, it's a deep canyon. So I'll go across the log here safely. I'll go on the other side, I'll take a picture from there, and of course from here as well. Good thing it's in the shadow. That's what I was hoping for, so I can actually take a nice long exposure. I'm happy. I'm super happy now. And it has enough flow for what it is. I think sometimes it's probably bigger, but then I can imagine if it's full water flow. Right here it's probably lots of water spray. So it wouldn't be possible to take a picture from here. So now I can. Who knows how it looks like from the other side when it's big water. You can maybe even cross it, who knows. I think it's actually perfect conditions. Look at that thing. This is amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, let me get it as far as I can. There's lots of bushes, but hopefully I get a decent picture. Okay. Here it is. Focus here. So I didn't really think I'll be taking just a regular pictures. I thought it will be just a scouting kind of scenario. But it turned out great, like I mentioned earlier. The only problem is I'm filming here on little tiny like a step. I cannot get further. Maybe I can just a little bit, but the composition what I have with 17 millimeters lens on APS-C sensor, it's just a little bit of the firm here and the whole waterfall, no sky at all, and that's perfect. That's all I need. It kind of goes like from one corner to the other corner, but hey, it is what it is. I still like it. I mean, I'm so excited. I don't have that judgment now. That's my problem. I mean, when I'm excited, I cannot really judge the composition. I cannot find anything really special. I need to sit down, absorb the place, slow down, and then look around maybe, and maybe I'll find, usually I found something better than just the first initial shot like now. The only problem is I don't have much time today. That was the other reason why I was thinking just the scouting. Spend here theoretically 40 minutes, but I might need a lot more time. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, let me take a few more shots. Speaking of composition, down by the creek, there will be another shot. And the first view as I approach from that big boulder as well. And yeah, I think that will be it today. Let's put it this way. This is one of the falls that's definitely deserved to go here more than once. So most likely I'll be here again, maybe in fall. You'll see there are some maples. It might be nice in mid-October or something. Okay, let's go down. Okay, I think I'm a little bit calmed down already. Totally forget I have a 12 millimeters prime lens as well. And I put it on, I put a polarizer on it. I moved a little bit closer here, so the firm is actually a little bit on the side. The waterfall more towards the center. I think it's a better composition, definitely wide angle lens. Also, I was going to say, I should take a picture zooming in just along that upper part and just switch the lens. Why? Damn it. Oh well, I'll do it. The best kind of view probably is you want to see the whole thing and don't get hurt, except you have to get across the rack. Ladder. But anyway, it's kind of cool view. Let me show you the composition. So there's like a little firm here in the foreground, a little cascade. If somebody's standing on it right now, that will give you a little bit sense of scale. But anyway, you have pretty much the whole falls with nice firm, and that's kind of cool. So I also want to take the same shot with wide angle lens that I already was thinking. I want to get a little bit more below the fern, and I want to try a little bit of the sky. And if I doesn't like it, I don't use it, but just to see the whole place in one big shot, you know. Yeah, let's take a wide angle shot as well. We'll see which one's better, right? Okay, final composition of the day. So I have that nice foreground, the fern here, and then the bottom of the fall. Of course, there is that log here, but once again, maybe I should go there and pose. But I kind of like this composition. As far as setting, right now I'm shooting ISO 400 f8. Everything should be focused. And I should get once again even 100 ISO, just to be safe. And of course I'm standing in a creek and it's super slippery, and I'm getting hungry. I'm out of here. Woo. Slippery. Kind of a nice shot here as well. We got with that lock, with the leading line. That's kind of a cool shot as well. Bye. I gotta go. One more thing I want to say. Safety always first. I'm not kidding now. I slid twice today. In both cases, I wasn't even recording. You know, you might think how good you are, this and that, but then you just fell down at the moment when you're not expecting it at all. That's what happened to me. And you twist your ankle or something worse, you don't want to be here alone. A little bit of hill and again out of breath. Yeah, because I'm going twice up and down. Just for the fun. Just for the fun. I need to catch breath because I don't know what I want to say. Alright, my friends, there was the Sulphur Creek Falls, if I'm saying it right. Beautiful little creek, beautiful little falls, trail. To be honest, the trail is more like a bushwalk. Yeah, it's something between bushwalk and trail. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's adventure. I guess you have seen the pictures already, so let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. I don't know yet, I have to decide. But yeah, comments, questions down below, that's what I'm trying to say, I guess. Please like, subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you next one. Peace. Family, your wife, your girlfriend, or your brother, sister, mom, father, whoever who is your closest relative, just tell them at least one person, one reliable person, I say that. Just tell them where you at, where you're going. Alright, oh, let me tell you something else. Second try.